when we travel somewhere, or when we follow some path, or when we go outside on a road or any journey, how we explore different stuffs, when we keep moving, same is with life. Yes, watch this video till the end. If you are constantly anxious about your future and you are into constant worrying stage, or you think that I will lack opportunities in near future, watch the video till the end. See, if the journey of the road or going outside and exploring the different places is like that, how about the journey of life? Isn't it the same? That we got to keep moving. Is that when we move, we can see the opportunities. When we just take one step at a time, one day at a time, we can see the path unfolding. How can we even think that I'm standing at one place and I can see everything at once? And if I'm not going to see that, I'm going to be fearful or anxious. Come on, just take that baby step, take that micro step and never stop, because the path is going to be unfolded. The divine is guiding you, and it's always one moment at a time. And till we cross that path with no fear, with faith in our heart, the journey is going to be unfolded. So where is the ground for anxiousness? Where is the ground of fear or worrying? There's no such ground, right? So when we forget this phenomenon that we have to walk the path to know the path, we cannot expect that I'm standing at one point and I keep on thinking that where is the path? Come on, keep moving. And if you cannot see the path, move even faster. Do you think it's a good idea that when you cannot see the path, you just stop there, just you stand there? Is it going to work? I don't think so. So whensoever you feel stuck, the thing is you got to keep moving in whatsoever direction which you feel right for you. Just keep moving, never stop. Take those actions which you were always fearful about. Take those tough decisions and keep moving. I just cannot stand here and okay, I will reach the journey or opportunities are going to come my way. No, if you feel stuck, move even faster, because when you move, you explore and you can encounter with n number of people and situations and opportunities. You need not to have everything sorted right now. That's the main cause behind that anxiousness. We want everything right now. We want assurity for the future. Come on, how it can be? Everything is changing every single second, every single moment. Who can assure you about your future or anything? Or is that any joy in that? If something is assured, that means you are limited. But your consciousness is not. You have infinite possibilities. You have infinite potentialities. So, if there is a security, that's not an exciting place to be in. Suppose there is a game or any cricket match or any kind of match, and if everything is fixed, okay, this team is going to win, this player is going to score that much, and everything is going to be in that way. Is there any joy? No, there's no such joy. Same as with life. Just take one day at a time, 1 second at a time, and give your 100%, give your best. And you are going to uncover the highest pathways and potentials and encounter with wonderful opportunities coming your way. Just believe in it and keep moving. When you feel stuck, move with 10x more speed. That's how it is. And it's going to help you and come out of that anxiousness, because there's nothing to be anxious about. What you are anxious about, isn't it? Everything is changing. The thing which you were thinking is going to harm you, it's no more there. It's just an illusion of our mind. So that's how it functions. I hope you got the message, and if you liked it, just comment. How are you going to implement it in your own life? I am rooting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have liked the video, just share, like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.